the University of Dayton is working to bring more renewable energy to campus.
In the next few years, UD will be installing solar panels on a handful of academic buildings and houses around the student neighborhood.
It's not just about buying renewable energy, it's also about reducing energy consumption.
Whether you live in a house, dorm, or apartment, there are a bunch of ways to save energy. Adjusting your thermostat is an easy way to save energy.
Set your thermostat to 68 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter and 78 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer.
The smaller the difference between the indoor and outdoor temperatures, the more money and energy you can save.
Additionally, when it's cold outside, take advantage of the sun's warmth by leaving your shades open during the day.
And in the summer, keep the window shades closed to shut out the sun's heat. Also consider using a fan instead of air conditioning to cool your home. Be sure to unplug your electronics and appliances when they're not in use.
Even when electronics are turned off, they still use vampire power, or power drawn from the outlets when chargers and electronics are left plugged in.
Unplugging your chargers and electronics is one way to avoid vampire power.
Using power strips is another way. Power strips disconnect electronics from the power source, eliminating vampire power. If you have a kitchen, you can reduce energy usage by
only running the dishwasher when it's completely full and avoiding the dry heat option.
Cooking with lids covering your pots and pans.
And keeping your fridge warmer.
You can significantly reduce your energy consumption by what you eat.
Try going meatless on Mondays. The meat industry emits nearly a fifth of all greenhouse gases, so cutting down the demand for meat will also cut down the production of these gases.
It's easier than you think to go one day a week without meat.
If you're up for the challenge, sign a pledge at meatlessmondays.com.
You can even reduce energy consumption in the bathroom.
Take shorter showers and use warm water instead of hot. To learn more about water conservation, check out our other videos. Whether you're doing your laundry in a residence hall or a house, these universal tips can help you to reduce your energy usage when you wash your clothes.
Only use a washing machine when you have a full load. Consider combining loads with your roommate, or just do laundry less often.
Also, wash your clothes with cold water instead of hot water.
Try hang drying your clothes instead of using a dryer.
If you do use a dryer, make sure to clean out the lint trap in between every cycle so that the appliance can run efficiently. Changing out your light bulbs is another great way to save energy.
Compact fluorescent light bulbs, or LEDs, are both much more efficient than incandescent light bulbs.
Also, try using natural lighting instead of overhead lighting to brighten up the space.
One of the most common ways to save energy is by turning off the lights.
So when you leave a room, make sure to turn the lights off. Whether you're headed to your class or to the library, get into the habit of taking the stairs instead of the elevator.
Not only is it a good workout, but it also reduces your energy use. You can also save energy by using your computer differently.
When you're finished using it, turn it off. Or if you're taking a break, put it on sleep mode.
Avoid using a screensaver. It uses more energy than if you just put your computer to sleep.
And when you can, reduce the brightness on your screen.
Also try using blackle.com as your primary search engine. It's powered by Google, it looks like Google, but it has a black background.
Believe it or not, using a black background is actually more energy efficient. To reduce your energy usage, think about how you get from place to place.
UD is the perfect size campus, where it's easy to walk from one side to the other.
So instead of driving, take a walk.
If you're in a hurry, try a link bike.
The link bikes are also a great way to explore downtown. UD also offers Zip Cars, a car sharing program that helps you reduce the number of cars in parking lots and on the roads.
You can even try public transportation or carpooling, both of which are better options than driving alone.
If you do have to drive alone, combine your trips and make sure to keep your car well maintained to maximize fuel efficiency.
You can save energy while exercising by avoiding high energy use machines.
If it's a nice day, skip the treadmill and run outside.
Or you can use the indoor track inside the recplex. After watching this video, we hope you learned a few ways on how to save energy.
If all students at UD use these energy saving tips, we could significantly reduce the amount of energy that UD uses.
Share these tips with friends and family so we can work to create a better world.